This is a product demonstration for the Akiles Crimp Coil. One of the most time-consuming aspects of coil binding is crimping the ends of the coil. When time is short, you need a fast and easy solution. The answer is the Akiles Crimp Coil, a heavy-duty, double-sided electro-crimping machine. It crimps both sides of a book at once, saving time and increasing productivity. Let's see a side-by-side comparison. On the left, we are manually crimping a stack of books, and on the right, we are using the Crimp Coil to crimp the same amount of books. As you can see, the Crimp Coil speeds up the crimping process by 2 to 3 times because of its ability to crimp both ends with one press of the foot pedal. In the time it takes to manually crimp 6 books, our operator has already crimped all 18 books with the Crimp Coil. It is the only crimping machine in its class that can accommodate all coil sizes from 6mm to 50mm without the hassle of changing any parts. Its revolutionary design allows the crimping mechanism to adjust to any coil size by a simple turn of the knob. At 54 cycles per minute, the Crimp Coil features the fastest cycle speed in its class, giving you perfectly crimped books with speed and efficiency. A large waste catcher holds the crimped ends for easy disposal. Let's walk through the 5 simple steps of setting up a project. First, adjust the crimper knives on both sides according to your coil diameter size. Second, place your book between the side guides and adjust the guides according to your book size. Third, adjust both sides of the table height according to your coil size using the guides. Fourth, unlock the crimper heads and slide the left head so that the knives are lined up against the last coil, tapping the book against the back to ensure proper alignment. Then slide the right head and do the same to the other side. Lock the crimper heads before operation. And fifth, adjust the coil guides on both sides to properly align and position the coil during the crimping process. Once you have it set up, you're ready to crimp. The Akiles Crimp Coil features a 1-year warranty. In case your machine needs repair, we'll take care of parts and labor. With its speed and ease of use, the Akiles Crimp Coil is the top-of-the-line crimping machine for your next coil binding project.